Hello students, welcome back to my maths video. So we are doing the squares and square root chapter, and in the previous video you have seen the exercise 6.1. Okay, so it is completed and I think you have done all the questions nicely. So now the next topic is what? Finding the square of a number. How can you find the square of any number? Okay, square means to multiply 2 times. So uh, to find out any square of any number, what you do? You do the traditional multiplication. Suppose here it is given 23. So squares are small, numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. are easy to find, right? So it is 3 square is 9, 4 square 16 on this. But can we find the square of 23 so quickly? So how can you find? So we do the general multiplication like this. Okay, then we can find it. So this is the normal way, this is the traditional way of multiplication and finding the answer. So this is the answer is not so easy, and we need to multiply 23 by 23. But is there any other way without multiplication? So there is a way to find this without having to multiply 23 into 23. So without multiplication, without this traditional method of multiplication, how can we find the square of any number? So now this is the process. Okay, so in this class you're learning the new process of finding a square of a number. So we know all how to find the square of a number by multiplying like this. But without multiplication, how can you find the square of a number? Now see the process. What is the process here? Carefully see. So first of all, whatever the number is given, 23. So you have to break that number into two parts. Okay, break the number into addition of two parts. Okay, and that number should be what? Easy for your calculation. Always try to include a digit there, and one single digit. Understood? So always try to make a simpler number. So it can be written as 21 plus 2 also. It can be written as 19 plus 4 also. Many ways you can break this number, but we'll take the easy one because here 0 is there, and this here it is one small number 3. Okay, in this way, first of all we'll break that number. After that we'll square that number. Okay, 23 square, that means how to square it. Now see here. So if you are given a square, here also you have to give the square. 20 plus 3 whole square. Okay, so it is called whole square. That means it is the square is on the whole of this 20 plus 3. That's why it is called whole square. Now what to do? You have to multiply it. Okay, 2 times. Whole square means you have to multiply this number 2 times. So one step is missing here, and this step is what? 20 plus 3. 2 times means this one, and again into 20 plus 3. Okay, like this. This is called the 2 times. That means square. Square means this one. 2 times you have to write. And here is multiplication sign. So now how to multiply this number? 20. This number you'll multiply with these two numbers. Okay, 20 into 20. Okay, one time we'll multiply this 20 with this whole number. Total this number, and again one time we'll multiply 3 with this whole number. So here it is written like this. Okay, so this step is not written here, so this can be written as like this. After that it is multiplied. So 20, this 20 into 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 plus 3, again plus sign, because here is plus sign. If there is minus sign, then you have to give a minus sign. So again 3 into 20 plus 3, 3 into 20 plus 3, in this way. Okay, now what to do? Now you have to multiply this 20 into 20. Okay, this number into this number, and after that this number into this number, like this. This is the rule of multiplication. So 20 into 20, that means 20 square, and 20 into 30, 20 into 20 into 3, 20 into 3 written, and there should be plus sign because here is plus sign. Again plus sign here. Here 3 into 20, this number and this number, and again this number into this number, like this. So 3 into 20 here, and 3 into 3, that means 3 square. Okay, so now 20 square is what? 400. You know this. 20 into 3 is 60, plus sign. 3 into 20 is 60, plus sign, then 3 square is 9. Now add all the numbers. So answer is 529. So square of 23 is what? 529. So see, without multiplication we got this answer by this method. Okay, so in this way you have to find the square of any number without actual multiplication. You have to break the numbers and you have to multiply the number 2 times in this way. Now see the example number 1. Find the square of the following numbers without actual multiplication. In this way the question will come. So 39. So 39 can be broken into 2 parts like this, 30 plus 9. Okay, why 30 plus 9 taken? Because here 0 is there and one single digit. So 30 plus 9. Okay, you have to break that number in such a way that you know the square of those numbers. Okay, so again it is written into 2 parts like this. So 30 into 30 plus 9 plus 9 into 30 plus 9. Again 30 into 30, 30 square, 30 into 9 here, plus sign 9 into 30 and 9 into 9, 9 square. Then 30 square is 900, 30 into 9 is 270, 9 into 30 is 270, 9 square is 81. Now you add the numbers, then it is 1521. The square of 39 is 1521. In this way you have to do the calculation, you have to find the square of any number. So I hope you have understood this. Okay, now let's go to other topic. So other topic is what? Other patterns in square. So now more patterns you will see. Here in this pattern means you will get one more method of finding the square of any number. One more method. So this method you understood now. Again one more method you will see here. The method is what? When there is a 5 in unit digit of any number, then how can you find the square of that number? Suppose you are 25. Here the unit digit number is 5. So there is one formula so that you can find this type of numbers. So here again 35, 5 is the unit digit, 75, 5 is the unit digit, 125, 5 is the unit digit. So if any number has 5 in the unit digit, how can you find the square of that number? Obviously you can find the square of these numbers by this method. Okay, obviously. But here one more method is there of finding the square of a number if the digit is 5. This formula is applicable only for the numbers which has the unit digit as 5. Okay. So what is the formula here? Let's see. The formula is given in this box. See, consider a number with unit digit 5. Okay, that is A5. A5 means A can be any number. Okay, 2 digit, 3 digit, anything, but the unit digit should be 5. So when this type of number you get, that means A5 square. Okay, so what is the formula? This is the formula. Okay, A into A plus 1, 100 plus 25. So A is what now? A is the number other than 5. Okay, whatever number it can be. So this number A into A plus 1, 100 means what? 100 that number you have to write here plus 25. So this is the way. So I am showing this one I am showing 35 square. Suppose students, see here 35 square you have to find out. So here A is what? A is 3. Okay, unit digit is 5, A is 3 here. Students, this is the formula. Here A equal to 3, 35 square you will find by this formula A into A plus 1 into 100 plus 25. So 25 is fixed number. Okay, now I will put here A value here. A value is what? 3. So 3 into A plus 1, that means 3 plus 1, 100. That means this 100 you will write in, now in number you will write. Okay, this 100 plus 25. So here 3 into is there, 3 into 3 plus 1 is what? 4 into 100 plus 25. So 3 in 4 is 12 and 12 into 100 is 1200. Okay, 1200 plus 25. Now 1200 plus 25 is what? 1225. So this is the square of 35. Okay, 1225. Now match the answer. What is given in the book? See here. See here. The answer is given same. 35 square is what? 1225. And we have also got the answer 1225. Right? You have got the answer 1225 here. Understood? So in this way it can be solved. So this is the formula, very important formula. This a into a plus 1 into 100 plus 25. Then you can find the square of any number having the unit digit 5, okay, by this formula. So here try this is given, find the square of the following numbers containing 5 in unit place. So here all the numbers are 5 in the unit place, okay. So you have to find the squares of these numbers by using this formula. Understood? And this formula is universal. By this formula you can find the square of any number, this also. So but try these questions by this formula only. Understood? So this is your homework. So that's all for today. I think you have understood how to find the square of any number without actual multiplication. Okay, thank you.